The Clarke CPS160 Plunge or track saw is ideal for DIY or trade use and can achieve professional results cutting or edging most types of wood. The powerful 1200 watt motor spins the blade at 5,500 RPM. The 160mm 24-tooth TCT blade has a cutting depth of 55mm at 90 degrees and 45mm at 45 degrees. A clearly marked depth stop limits the depth of cut. Two 700mm guide rails are supplied, which can be connected together to give one 1400mm long rail. The CPS160 is equally at home cutting sheet material down to size, as it is accurately trimming doors to length, while the replaceable rubberized Splinter guide provides a superb finish to the cut. Two clear indicators on the saw body enable accurate plunge cuts for applications such as fitting a sink into a worktop. The accuracy provided by the guide rails makes the saw extremely easy to use without messing around with clamps. This plunge saw has soft grip handles for comfort, whilst its adjustable cutting angle and depth allows for added working versatility. A tilt protection clamp prevents the saw from tipping when making angled cuts. And cam screws at each end of the saw base can be adjusted with the supplied hex key to ensure a close sliding fit to the rail. A dust extraction port is also included at the rear of the saw to help keep the work area clean. The Clarke CPS160 Plunge Saw, a competitively priced quality saw with a host of features which will make it a joy to use for many years to come.